Today we are going to be making homemade Barbie food out of hot glue. So first you're going to need a hot glue gun, of course, and you're going to need some paints, and you're going to need some parchment paper. So let's get right into it. Obviously this is optional, but you can tape down your parchment paper onto the table. I think it's just easier to make sure that it stays there. Oh, gotta be careful because it does slip out sometimes. So you gotta make sure you got a lot of tape. Okay, so we finally got that. Now we need to plug in our hot glue gun. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is think about what we want to make. I think I am going to make like a burger and a hot dog and stuff like that. So that's gonna take a lot of different pieces, but it will be okay. So now hot glue is coming out, so that means it's warm. So I'll start on my burger. Since the glue is very low, I'm gonna put a new one in. And I'm gonna start on the bottom bun. And that's the bottom bun. And then you could make the top bun. And then you could make like the insides, like maybe the greens, the tomato, and the meat, and stuff like that. It's gonna be a very interesting burger. So now we just need to wait for it to dry. Okay, I started on my hot dog and I did a big piece for the bottom of my hot dog bun, and then I did my meat stick. And we're just gonna wait for that to dry so I can put the bun sides. And we keep this separate so it's just easier to paint that way. Okay, let's check if this is dry. It's pretty dry. It doesn't need to be too dry, but I'm going to put the sides on there. 1, 2. That looks pretty good. And if you don't like your stuff and like some things are like hanging out or something, like you don't like them, you could just cut it off because it's hot glue and it's really easy to cut. That's basically my hot dog. I could make some other stuff too. A cake or something, a layered cake. I'm just going to, so I'm going to do the different layers, I guess. This is going to be fun. I've never done a layered cake before. But we're going to do that, and we're going to do that. That's probably good. Now we'll wait for all that to dry. It's a lot of waiting for making hot glue food, but in the end it's really fun. It's totally worth it. And then when you're done with your food, you unplug it so it doesn't leak anymore while you're painting. Okay, I chose out some paints. I chose some colors. I chose Viridian, some Vermilion, ultramarine blue, and some white just in case I want to lighten things up, and some burnt sienna. If you don't have any of these fancy colors, that's okay. You don't have to copy my exact colors, but you could just use normal colors too. But these are some pretty cool colors that I want to use. I've obviously used this white a lot, but I've also gotten this really detailed paintbrush so I can be detailed with my painting. And I got a water cup filled with water, so just in case I want to switch colors. I think I'm going to pick the cake first because it seems like fun. I am going to get my palette for my colors. Okay, I got it, and I'll put that there. Perfect. I'll do all the painting and fast forward. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I did all my coloring and painting, and I re-plugged in my hot glue gun, so it's warming up right now, so we can glue these together and actually make real food. Okay, I'm going to put together my cake first. So I'm going to put a little dot right there, and then dot right there, and this, and that. Okay, we'll let that dry. And I think this isn't a good shape for me, so I'm gonna cut it with the scissors later. And then I'm going to put the glue right there, right where the dog goes. And now the burger, my favorite part. I'm gonna put the greens and then the meat and then the tomatoes and the top bun. But there we go. And I'm gonna cut some pieces off of this too. I'll see you in a second. Okay, I just threw away the cake because I didn't really like it, but I think the burger is really cute, and the hot dog kind of looks like something else, but I like it. So, yeah. Hey guys, sorry the video was a little long, but I hope you liked it, and you made some really cute food with some hot glue. And I'll see you next time. Bye!